Let's talk equity financings. Once your company moves beyond seed financing with safes and notes, institutional investors usually expect preferred stock issued at a fixed valuation in what's called a priced round. For founders negotiating these rounds, most of what matters falls into two buckets: economics, who gets paid and how much, and control, who gets to make which decisions. These terms lock in the economic and control structure between founders and investors. Later investors typically build on the structure set by your first equity round, so early terms tend to carry forward. Why preferred stock? It sets valuation, establishes a firm price that becomes a reference point for dilution and future fundraising. Investor protections creates rights and preferences that can meaningfully affect exit outcomes. Governance structure defines board composition and stockholder approval rights, shaping control over company decisions. What are the key terms in preferred stock deals? Beyond valuation, important economic terms include liquidation preference, who gets paid first and how much, when the company is sold or shut down, and often matters more than headline valuation in an exit. Anti-dilution protections adjusts investor ownership if the company later raises a lower price round, diluting founders and employees. Some key control terms: board seats. Lead investors often take at least one board seat, influencing strategy and founder control. Voting rights and protective provisions. Investors may have approval rights over a wide range of actions, including financings, acquisitions, and executive hires or fires. Information rights. Regular financial and operational reporting, which founders should keep useful to investors without becoming a distraction for management. So what does the process look like? A priced equity round follows a fairly standard process. Preparation. Before fundraising, companies should clean up the cap table, confirm IP ownership, review governance, and organize financials. Preparation makes everything smoother. Term sheet. The term sheet sets valuation and the key economic and control terms. While mostly non-binding, this is where the real deal is set. Retrading later is difficult. Definitive agreements. The terms are then documented, typically using a standard set of 5 primary venture documents. These include detailed disclosures about the company. Preparation makes this often tedious step far less painful. Closing and post-closing. Docs are signed, funds are wired, shares are issued, securities filings are made, the cap table is updated, and the next chapter begins. Equity financings can unlock significant growth capital and experienced partners, but they also introduce dilution and more formal governance. It's important to approach these negotiations with a clear understanding of their long-term economic and control impact on the company.